Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the science class. In our previous class, we had discussed useful wind. In today's class, we will learn different names of moving air and directions. Before starting this topic, let's discuss some word meanings of this topic. Number one is damage, destroy, sink, to go below the surface, kill, cause the death of person or animals. Looking, seeing, find, realize. Now students, open your science book at page number 76 and let's start reading. Moving air has many names like breeze, wind and storms. Students, if air moves slowly, it is called a breeze. A gentle moving air is called breeze. As you can see in this picture, wind is blowing slowly. It is called breeze. Number two is wind. If it moves faster, it is called a wind. Students, as we have discussed already, fast moving air is called wind. It is faster than breeze. As you can see in the given picture on your book, a wind. Students, wind is very useful as it helps to dry wet clothes, to move things, etc. Now, the next name of moving air is storms. Very strong and fast winds are called storms. Students, storms are very fast winds that can cause many damages like destroy crops, houses and vehicles. So storms are very harmful. Now we will discuss difference between storms and breeze. Like number one is breeze is a gentle wind. Storm is a fast and strong wind. Breeze, it does not cause damage. Storm, it causes damage. Now, we will learn more about storms. Storms can damage buildings and trees. They can kill people and animals. Storms at sea can sink ships. Dear students, in seas, storms can harm water animals and they can cause damage to fishermen as their boats can sink in sea storms. Sink means to go below the surface. So, sea storms are very harmful. Like storms can damage the crops, it can uproot trees and it can overturn boats. So this is the last type of moving air that is harmful. Now open your science book, page number 77 and let's start reading. Wind has direction. Wind blow from one place to another. Children, as we know, fast moving air is called wind. It moves from one place to another place and we can feel when wind blows. You can know the direction of wind by looking at the wind vane or a wind sock. Now students, what is a wind vane and what is a wind sock? Students, these are the devices that tells us direction of the wind. Wind vane is placed on the top of the roof to know the direction of wind. If birds and planes fly in the direction of the wind, they find it easier to fly. Now dear students, when a plane or birds fly, they find it easier to fly in the same direction of wind. Students, if they try to fly in the opposite direction of the wind, they feel it difficult to fly, and the wind apply force, due to which if birds fly in opposite direction of wind, they need more force to apply to fly in opposite direction. Now the next one is, if there is no wind vane near you, how would you tell the direction of the wind? As you must have seen flying kites, they help us to know the direction of the wind. In the direction kites fly shows the direction of the wind. So we can find the direction of the wind with the help of kites or polythenes. Now look at a wind vane given in your book. A wind vane is found on top of roofs. The bird and the arrow will point in the direction of wind. As students, we have discussed already in this class that wind vanes are found on the top of roofs. They help to know the direction of wind. The arrow of this wind vane shows the direction of wind. In lesson Blowing Wind, we have learned about wind is useful, its different names and direction. Now you know that you can use the wind to do work for you. A gentle wind is called a breeze. Very strong winds are called storms. Wind has direction. Now students, we will discuss some questions of this lesson. Number 1 is, what is wind? Moving air is called wind. What are storms? Very strong and fast winds are called storms. Why are storms harmful? Storms are harmful because they can damage buildings and trees. They can kill people and animals. What is a wind vane? How does it help? Wind vane is a device that tells the direction of the wind. It helps us to know the direction of wind blows. So students, in this lesson we have learned about wind, its cross questions, word meanings and terms. Read and revise this lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.